This is 1310 North 48th Place, unit number 2 in Phoenix. The unit opens right up into the main living space with a nice large window in the in-wall unit. We've got the first bedroom with a nice walk-in closet. All of these ceiling fixtures are operated via remote. We've got a large storage space in the hallway. Then we've got the second bedroom. The bathroom is super cute, pretty spacious. And then there is the kitchen, really nice appliances, super cute countertops in here. And then right out here is the private backyard. Great amount of space back here, a lot that you could do with this. All around a really cute unit in a nice, private, quiet little community.